Hello, everyone. I am going to share with you today what we are going to do. So, today, your to do list is over here on the side. It wants you to first watch this video. You're going to look at our example, and then you are going to create your own flashcards. So, hopefully, you have gathered a couple of things. So, hopefully, you read the This Week memo box and you have gotten your index cards. And I really prefer flashcards to be in colors. So markers, crayons, colored pencils, something along that line. I think it just helps you embed it in your memory a little bit more. So what you're going to do today, you are going to create your own set of flashcards for the organelles that we just learned about yesterday. So here is your list of organelles down here at the bottom in a nice blue color, so hopefully you won't miss it. You've got, I don't know how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 organelles that you're going to create flashcards for today. I did an example for you already, and I did chloroplast because it was kind of easy for me to do. So here is my example. Chloroplast is on the front with my nice colored image that's a little bit bigger than what is actual size, but my chloroplast is in green. My actual Oradell chloroplast is in green because chloroplasts are green, and that's what gives leaves their green colors. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, so color helps you hopefully remember. On the back side of your flashcard, at the top, I want you to put if it is only in plants, only in animals, or if it's in both. That way you will know what organelles go with which cell. Some of them are going to have both. There's only a few that, or most of them will be both. There's only a few that are only in one or only in the other. Okay? And then you're going to go through and tell me what the function is, or tell yourself. These are quiz cards primarily for you. Okay, what is their function? So for the organelles, or for the chloroplasts, they capture energy from the sun and it changes it into energy that the cells are going to use to make their own food. So working through all 11 of your organelles, make yourself a set of flashcards, front and back side, and then you can, if you have time left, quiz yourself, have a parent quiz you, have a sibling quiz you, so you get to know organelles and their functions.